So, we're going to monitor breathing, monitor standard tidal breathing using a mobile phone and some other kit, a piece of pipe, a microphone and a clothes peg. This is how we do a tidal breathing using the piece of pipe. We use a Firefox or similar app monitoring audio amplitude. And when we start that running, we can then put the pipe near the microphone, just breathe normally, and you should see tidal breathing. Okay, so this is now using the microphone attached to a piece of cardboard tube so you can breathe over it in a consistent way. And again with a clothes peg, and then we'll start the app, and then you should again see a tidal breathing record. Quite a good one, I hope. So, we've monitored tidal breathing using sound, and we're now going to try monitoring it using the slope, the acceleration if you like, using again a mobile phone, different app this time. This is Physics Toolbox, but there are other apps that will work too. So I'm going to lie down now with the phone on my breastbone there, and as I breathe you should be able to see it going up and down when I've started it.